Sunrise Intercoastal Realty welcomes you to your new home. Large corner townhome with 2-car garage and desirable gated community. Inviting foyer leads to open and spacious first floor area. This home is perfectly designed for convenient and comfortable living.
Separate dining room perfect for large family gatherings.
Sunny and inviting living room with tile floors and volume ceilings. Nice open kitchen with plenty of soldwood cabinets. Ample granite countertop space and room for kitchen island. Brand new top-of-the-line refrigerator, stove, dishwasher and microwave. Easy and convenient access to the backyard from the kitchen. Separate dining room perfect for large family gatherings. Beautiful stairwell takes you to the second floor. Large and sunny loft that can be easily converted into a bedroom. This extra space can be used as an office or kids' playroom. Luxurious and easy to upkeep wood floor throughout the second floor. Oversized master bedroom with 10 feet high, dome ceiling. 10 feet high dome ceiling. Plenty of space to set up relaxing sitting area. Airy and spacious master bath with jacuzzi tub and travertine floors. Jacuzzi tub. Separate shower with beautiful decorative trim and glass doors. Double sinks and vanity desk makes this bathroom place of convenience and relaxation. Oversized, custom-built master closet provides plenty of space. Bright and sunny second bedroom. Bright and sunny second bedroom with custom-built closet organizers. Custom closet in second bedroom. Second bathroom with updated vanity shower and tub. Large third bedroom with custom closets, will easily fit a king-size bed. Conveniently located guest bathroom on the first floor. Large laundry room with brand new energy efficient, large load washer and dryer. Property features hurricane impact windows and doors. Large, completely fenced-in backyard is perfect for kids and pets to play. Nice pool area perfect for relaxation. Wide canal with ocean access. Your private dock will be completed in 2016. Community clubhouse with social and exercise rooms. This perfect property is your dream home. Call today to schedule a private view.